Thank you for buying this 15643 8.5 by 11 and 11 by 17 acrylic sheets from Fixture Displays. We're sharing this video with the two different sizes. To the left is our 11 by 17 and to the right is our 8.5 by 11. You can use this either horizontally or vertically. Acrylic typically come with the protective film. There are times the film are not clear, such as white or off-white or frosted. It's typically normal. Simply peel that off or reveal the clear nature of this product. The thickness is 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters. If you are needing this for scientific purpose that require high tolerance levels, do contact us before you make your purchase. In addition to these sizes, we also have many other standard sizes you can choose from. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. If you have a custom project, we love the opportunity to manufacture for you. Thank you.